Church & Dwight, the maker of familiar household brands like ARM HAMMER and OxiClean, has been a longtime friend of the environment and continues to focus on these efforts even today. In fact, one of the 5 pillars of our 2020 strategy is a focus on sustainability. We have also committed to being carbon neutral by 2025. Another way we are incorporating sustainability into our brands and products is with our new pouch recycling program with Terracycle. Products that use these pouches are ARM HAMMER baking soda, ARM HAMMER unit dose laundry detergent, and OxiClean unit dose laundry detergent. If you love these products as much as I do, help keep them out of landfills and turn them into new products. Participation is free and very easy. There's even an opportunity to earn points by signing up, and these points can be redeemed at a charity of your choice. Start by signing up at Terracycle.com. Then, gather empty pouches, and when you're ready, download a free shipping label from your Terracycle account and mail it in for upcycling. Remember, the more pouches you send back in each shipment, the more we reduce fuel costs and create an even smaller environmental footprint. Upon receipt, Terracycle will turn these pouches into new raw materials, which are then used to create new products, like the garden planters that ARM HAMMER recently donated to an elementary school in New York. We're glad that you enjoy these products every day, and proud that we now offer you the ability to upcycle these materials and help reduce landfill waste. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.